Assalamu alaikum. This is the final application what I have make it for the COVID-19 tracking. Here is some intro screen for the user. A user can slide it. Yeah, click on the next button. I will show you first. Wash your hands, and there is a title and description. What you need to do: wear face mask and keep distance. When you go to the last page, it will show the continue button. Click on the continue, and it will show the launching page of our application. COVID-19 tracking. This is the application name, and here is the analysis of worldwide. Total update, worldwide cases, date, recovered, active, and total update, today update, that is cases, date, and critical situation in the world for today. Okay, per 1 million cases, dates, and test. Okay, total test and affected countries 212. When you click on the next icon, that is a global icon, click on it, and you can see here there is a country, case, recovered, and dates. If you slide down, it will load the country image. Here I put lazy load, so it will consume a less internet. It will consume your less data, and you can use the application very smoothly. You can also recognize the country by its flag, and it is for the educational purpose. Okay, when you click on the next icon, that is the India, which is India. Okay, here the total it means total cases in India, confirmed, dates, recovered, and active. And here is the state wise data: Maharashtra, Gujarat, Delhi, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, okay, West Bengal, Karnataka, complete state. State and union territory, you can say like this: state and union territory data for the India. Okay, when you click on the last option, last bottom navigation, that is the symptoms. What was the symptoms? What is the symptoms of COVID-19? That is headache, cough, and fever. Generally, there is some description and prevention. What you need to do for to prevent or avoid the COVID-19. Okay, when you click on this info button here in the top, it will show you who make this application. I make this application, then my name and my roll number and my branch, computer science, CSC third year. Build with, there is some description of language, what technology I have used to make it: Kotlin, Volley, Picasso, architecture, component, Firebase, something. These are the technology, and thanks to who support me to make this. Yeah, credit goes to, that is JHU, John Hopkins University, COVID19.org, and Nawab Salam. Of course, our college support a lot me. Okay, if you see here is the India data. This India data coming, we are using from the government API, so there is no anything false. It is the current date status. Also you can see here there is a last updated date, date and time when this data, suppose Gujarat, when this is updated, and for total India when this is updated. Every state has a different date and time, you can see here. So it is updated by the Indian government, and I have used it. If you recognize any enhancement or changes in the application, surely